Alright, we're gonna make a short little video right now. We're gonna cut this amazing looking cold water agate. This is just a piece of one. So this would have been a really huge agate at one point. But I'm gonna cut a slab out of this side, this face here. And we'll see what we get inside of it. It looks like it'll be real good. I may cut a slab across here and another slab here, we'll see. But yeah, let me get it wet so you guys can get a better look at it. But you can see it's got some awesome banding in there, some eyes in there. So I'll go ahead and cut this guy and see what's inside. Alright, so I went ahead and cut it. Let's go ahead and see what's inside. Oh, wow! That is so beautiful. Let me zoom in. That's so pretty. Look at all the eyes in there. Nice cold water eye agate. Get it wet again for you guys. Look at all that banding in there. All those eyes. That is so pretty. So awesome. So this is definitely one I will polish up. And I will post some pictures at the end. And I hope you guys like this video. If you like it, just hit the like button, subscribe, and if you guys enjoyed it. Look at all those spots in there. That's pretty cool. Those are actually inclusions inside the agate. It's pretty neat. But yeah, it's really awesome. A really awesome cold water agate. So I hope you guys like this little video, and we'll see you guys on the next one.